Hey guys, this is RD Techie, and in today's video, we're gonna unbox the Noise Color Fit Pro smartwatch. I'm just gonna cut right into it. Right, so this is the package. I got it from Flipkart. I'm not gonna waste any time. I'm gonna slice right into it. That's a beautiful sound. I love that sound. So I'm just gonna cut right in here. I'm not gonna stab it too much because I'm scared I'll accidentally scratch the box itself or even the product, because I don't know how big the box is of the product. So I just need to check that. All right, good. Oh, that just opened up right there. So that's from Flipkart, so I'm just gonna wasn't very loud this time, so that's cool. Okay, for once it wasn't too super loud, and that is the deal right there. There we go. That is the product. It is the Noise Color Fit Pro. Now it seems to be okay to do almost everything you would expect from a smartwatch. It was very cheap, and I got it from Flipkart on a sale. So let's just jump right in there and cut up this thing. I'm always wary when I cut these tight plastic coverings off. I wonder if I make a mistake or screw up and cut right into the box and scratch the surface or something. You know, it's just weird stuff like that. So there it is. Okay, there you go. Okay, so this one was very well packaged, very well sealed. Just gonna pull that off. There you go. So that is the deal. That is the thing. It looks cool. I like the packaging. It's very straightforward, and it did have a tape in letting you know whether it's been tampered with or not. It hasn't. I'm just gonna cut that now. Got the tape, and we have another tape on this side as well. I'm gonna cut that. If you guys see me peeking to my right side, it's to make sure you guys can actually see what I'm doing, and I'm not doing it off camera or something. Kind of an idiot with that kind of stuff. So, okay, oh, it's one of those boxes. Ooh, that feels nice. That feels good. Okay, so that is the watch. You get a pretty nifty packing. I like it, to be honest. It's a little dusty, but I'm hoping that's more from just waiting. Now I'm gonna have to watch an unboxing. Never mind. Okay, there you go. Just pulling it. I don't know if this is the way to do it, but it works. Just using my finger on the top here to pull that one out. Maybe you're supposed to use that one, but it didn't come out. And it's literally oh, that's heavy. Literally falling into my hand. All this is plastic crap from the box. You have another boxing layer, and you have the charger. So I'm gonna keep. This is actually fairly heavy. That right down there. That's over there. And this is the charger. It's a USB powered charger. It has like a frame where you put your dial in. So I'm just gonna plastic crap. So that's it. It's like a clip. So I'm guessing it just you click it in here, and then there you go. It just locks into. That's pretty cool. I was worried it would be like one of those clicky things, like the plugged ones, and they tend to not work so well. But it is very light plastic. It's very finicky. This feels premium because it's heavy. This feels very not the best, the quality wise, but it looks nice enough. It's just I wish it was a little bit thicker plastic, but you do have to consider the price point, and all those details, guys, you will have on the screen already, showing up all over the place as always, right? So this is the USB charger. Gonna put that to the side, away from the blade, so I don't accidentally stab it. I don't think we need the blade anymore, so I'm gonna sheath it. Trying not to stab myself. And this is I guess the ownership manual, so it has a noise thing and how to use it. So that's my... You guys hear chainsaws going. That's my neighbor cutting down trees, so that's fun. And this is for the app. So this is... it's not for the app, sorry. This is to... this is to go and register your product at the Noise website. I'm so sorry. They waited. I waited for them to finish. They finished. I started the video. They started doing it. I hope I can somehow edit the audio and make it less unbelievably annoying, but it is very annoying. Apologize for that. Can't control neighbors. So yeah, that's the... You get the QR code to go and register. I'll be trying to do that. But let's get to the fun part, which is the watch itself. So I'm gonna try and figure out a way to peel this plastic up. There it is. That's a good feeling. Ooh, that is really stuck on there. Oh crap! Ooh, that was really stuck on there. This thing's gonna be a fingerprint magnet. I can tell you right now, it is gonna be an absolute fingerprint magnet. There you go. I don't know if you can see it, but it is a fingerprint magnet hell. It's just gonna be, but the strap is a very decent, sort of powdery feel silicone kind of thing. But I like it. I like it. It's heavier than I thought. Okay, so let me put this together quick. I can figure it out. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. You have these notches on the side. You pull. I don't know if we can show it. You pull it onto the side and slide it on one side, and then pulls onto the other. So we got one in. We're gonna do this one right now. I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, what we're gonna do is I've got my PC right here. I'm gonna plug it into it. I'm gonna see how it charges, and we're gonna see you on the other side. We got it charged, and well, a little bit. We charged it for like 10 minutes, and it started raining cats and dogs while I did that. So I wanted to get this video done before we lose too much light. So the display itself is pretty good. It's pretty clear. Even under strong light, it seems all right. It has an app that the QR code, we have that for it, so check it out. So far I'm pretty impressed. I was really impressed by the weight of the thing. It is metal. It's like this brushed aluminum feel, and it's really nice, and the responsiveness of the touch seems alright. It seems to be just this based on this button, not the screen itself. It's not like a touchscreen phone, but a touchscreen watch, but it does have a nice face and display. I'm just making sure you guys can see it. Yeah, and I'm happy with it. Now, if I was to wear this, it's pretty heavy, and I haven't worn a watch in a while, so there you go. So I don't have the daintiest of arms. So I mean, you can get a lot more loose, and you can get pretty tight. So it should be all right for. Although it's already saying I did 12 steps, it might have counted me walking back and forth from the charger. So I will say it's worth a look, and it's worth the price of admission for a smartwatch that's not a complete Chinese base model weird digital watch, but an actual smartwatch with an activity tracker. This is not gonna have, you're not gonna compete with an iWatch or whatever that's called, the Apple Watch. Not that level, but it is definitely a good contender if you're looking for a fitness band and you wanted to look a little bit more like a watch, right? So this could work for that. Have to say, quite impressed with the weight of it all, the build quality of the watch and the strap. It's very comfortable. The strap's not like digging into my skin like I thought it would, because it does have that metal part. The assembling and putting it together, it's kind of need to figure it as you go, but it's fairly easy once you figure out that there's an inside latch you can use to make sure it goes in and out and get it done properly. So it took a little bit of wiggling to get it, but I think it's well in there now. It is a fingerprint magnet, so keep that in mind if you're looking for something. I'm guessing it's gonna be very scratch friendly as well. It might be a scratch magnet as well, because I don't think there's any protection on it. It doesn't feel like it has any protection on it, so the wear and tear might be a issue, and you might want to put, I don't know if these have glasses, but you might want to like a coating of plastic if it's available. But that's it for me. This has been the unboxing of Noise Color Fit Pro fitness watch. Try saying that a billion times. But it's been fun. I used the new light, which is why it's lit up. It's actually quite dark outside, so I'm very happy how it turned out. And it's raining. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's raining cats and dogs out there. So I'm looking forward to the next one. We got another one coming this week, a couple actually, so we might be able to get some more unboxing stuff. I don't know. I don't think I'll be reviewing this. My review of it is it's cheap, it's sturdy, it will get scratches, it will get your fingerprints, and it won't be the most accurate of the pedometers around. That said, again, it's cheap. Okay, so gotta consider that. It's one of the most cheapest smart watches you'll be able to get, and it's worth a look, and the build quality definitely impressed me. This is RD Techie. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, hit that button, hit that like or dislike, whatever. Tell me how I did. If you think this was very confusing to watch, you're not alone. It was very start-stop to make. So I don't know how this is going to turn out. I'll try and fix it up in editing. My neighbor with the chainsaw really can kind of threw a ringer in the works. But anyways, I will catch you in the next one. Hope you all have a fantastic day. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, and wash your damn hands. See you in the next one. Goodbye.